We are back again. I was going to finalize my bridal trousseau. I mean, I have bought all the stuff and now I'm gonna pack it. So I thought before I pack it, I should come here and I should show you guys what are the small but important things that I guess every bride should have. Welcome back to my channel again and let's start the video. I'm definitely not gonna be that bride जो शायद nail extension कराए. मतलब if you see मेरे नाखून बड़े थे वो भी मैंने chop कर दिए. मतलब क्योंकि बहुत सारा काम हो गया. I don't want my nails to get dirty and I think I have no plans on getting extensions also, at least not till now. So इसीलिए मैंने काफी nails extensions खरीदे थे. So the first one is like this one, if you can see. Then I think this was something I got for free. I don't know, but मैं ये कब use करूँगी क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा है. But yeah, this was also something that I have in my bridal trousseau. And then this one. This is like a nice maroon stick-on nails, which is actually good. I think I am definitely gonna use this one and this one for sure. I have plans on doing my own hair and makeup during my wedding, so I have bought a lot of hair accessory which I really want to show you guys. So the first one that I have is this donut scrunchie. So it's just like a artificial synthetic hair. So you just make a normal bun and just put this and it will look like a nice bun. So this is also something I'm really looking forward to use. Next thing that I've got is this beautiful paranda, and like because my hair has grown long, so I thought putting parandas on, like making a nice braided choti with a paranda is gonna look so good. I have got a lot of wigs and like hair accessories. So the next thing that I have got is this hair extension. So this is something when I'm making braid, right, you can just use it in the braid form and it's like a nice synthetic hair, though it does not matches my color of my hair because I have like a brownish reddish kind of a hair and this is like full jet black, but I'm still gonna use it if I am doing like a braid. It's a nice long braid. And I have got something to make the bun. So I have got this bun maker and these I have in like 3 different sizes. I have got it for my mom also because you know she has also asked me to make her hair, so that's why like I have got this, and this is like a medium size one. I guess this is something that's gonna fit me if I'm making a bun, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these many hair accessories thing, but I have still got it because just in case if I need it. Then I've got 2 packs of rubber bands. So one is this piece of 30 black rubber bands. I mean, black is usually not allowed in the weddings, I mean, but rubber band I guess it's okay. So I've got this, and just to be on the safe side, what if my mom starts screaming and she's like nahi kala rubber nahi laga sakte, then I've also got this pack of like a different colors. 30 ye bahut pichak gaya, but please yeah, it has 30. And this is a rubber band that I also use in my daily, like every day. This rubber band is so damn good. It's full elasticy, stretchy. It does not pull your hair when you are just taking it out. It's so good. I have 2 type of hairpins. So one is this tip top one and one is these. I think ये मैंने बहुत टाइम से नहीं यूज किया क्योंकि पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं when I use this I get headaches, but I still have just kept it just to be on the safe side. So I have 1 pack of this and 2 pack of this. Then I have got a pack of U-pins when I'm making like bun and all. This is something that you are definitely gonna use it. So I have got this. It's not like a very big one and it's not like a very small one. It's on the medium size somewhere because my hair is not so dense. Like I have a very silky smooth hair. So for that I have got 1 pack of this one. I have a bunch of rollers. So I have 2 kind of rollers. Actually this is something that I already have. So one is these and one I have is these. And to secure these rollers I also have a pack of pins. So I have this also with me. I have got these gajras. I mean, these are made out of cloth, and when you're putting it, it looks like literally like a normal gajra that you can use it, and it's so good. I have bought a lot of safety pin because I've always seen my mom losing hers. So I have a box of small to medium safety pin and then some big safety pins. I mean, I do have more of it which I'm not able to find it. I guess एक packet तो मैंने already mom को दे दिया है. But yeah, these many safety pins I have secured because I have plans on wearing like sari थोड़ा लंबे समय के लिए. So I guess I will be needing a lot of safety pins. Then we also have these pins. So these pins are basically used to secure the chunni over the head. So मुझे एक में काम हो जाता, मुझे पता है, but पता नहीं मैंने दो क्यों लिया है. But yeah, these many pins I have these, and I guess this is something every bride should have. This is so good. मैंने इसको already try करके देखा हुआ है and it works. Then I have a bunch of बिंदी बुकलेट्स. I mean, मुझे बहुत शौक है बिंदी लगाने का, और मैं एक ऐसी प्लेन बिंदी लगा के नहीं रख सकती हूँ. तो मैंने बहुत सारे अलग अलग डिजाइन ऑलरेडी. आई डोंट वांट टू ओपन इट राइट नाउ, बट या, these are some good looking bindis I have. I also have got this kumkum maker. I mean, not kumkum maker. This is like a kumkum where you can make a lot of radha dots and all, like create a nice wedding look. So for a बहुत मन है, I want to create that one, right? Like the Bengalis do. But let's see how that's gonna turn out. But yeah, I have also got this one. Now moving on to the skincare slash makeup. Not like a makeup. I'm gonna show you some extra stuff that I have bought. Now one of my favorite things that I have bought is this Japanese fan. So ये मैंने इसलिए खरीदा है कि if I'm doing my makeup and I'm putting my spray, like face spray and all, I can use this to fan my face. I don't know, I know this is typical waste of money, but who cares? This is something I have bought to dry up my makeup. I have no idea why I have bought this, but yeah. Got 2 packs of face tissue. So one is this Mars ka makeup remover wet wipes, and one is this Beko ka bamboo multi-use wipes. So these are the 2 wet wipes slash tissues I have in my vanity. Makeup remover, I have this Garnier ka micellar water. This is something I use it, and I also use it only this water in oil all in one, because I don't use the pink one. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उससे जो waterproof makeup है वो नहीं निकलता है, but this does the job perfectly. And apart from this, I also have a cleansing balm that I use. So first I use this cleansing balm, Plum का है. This is already in my vanity, so मैंने नया नहीं लिया है. I just melt my makeup using this, and then I wipe it using this, and then I use a hydrating cleanser to just remove everything so that it removes my makeup perfectly from my skin. I have got this multi-purpose makeup remover cotton pads, and these are from Evereve, and these are so good, so soft, 100% cotton, and does not like rub your face when you are removing the makeup. So this is really good if you want to buy it. This Evereve का ही multi-purpose makeup remover pad. So these are like a cotton pads that you can just reuse it every time. Like let's say अभी makeup हटाया, उसके बाद तुम धो के अच्छे से सुखा लो, and then you can reuse it again. So this is like a multi-purpose one, and I've got these. This is a pack of 2, and it's really worth the penny. Next thing that I've bought is this cotton swab pack. I mean, this is a pack of cotton swabs. मैंने एक्चुअली ये इसलिए लिया, मतलब मैं कोई नॉर्मल वाला भी ले सकती थी, बट मैंने वो इसलिए लिया था क्योंकि इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत क्यूट लगी थी मुझे, and I was like, I want this. Then I have this box of makeup sponge. I mean, I have already removed 1 or 2 to use it, but yeah, it has 3-4 different types of makeup sponges. So one is this pointed one with this flat edge. Then we have the normal ones, like a full drop shaped. Then we have small cotton puffs, and then we have the small ones for the concealer. So this is a really nice box. If you want to invest in good makeup sponge, get this. I've got this from Sawan. The last thing that I'm going to show in this makeup trousseau is like a pack of the makeup brushes. But before the makeup brushes, you can see my makeup brush का holder. This pouch, मैंने जब ये पहली बार देखा था, I was like, जब मैं अपना makeup brush का collection लूंगी wedding के लिए, I'm definitely buying this. But मैं sure नहीं थी कि मेरे सारे brushes उसमें fit आएंगे कि नहीं. But this bag is so damn spacious. इसमें वो सारे brushes आ गए हैं. I have a lot of brush, so I have brushes from a normal, some I got in PR, some I got from Savannah, and then there is this one brush that I really wanted to buy, so I have got this from Mars to, you know, buff my concealer, and this is how it looks. I mean, इसमें अभी भी space है, अगर मैं चाहूँ तो 2-4 brushes और रख सकती हूँ. This is so good multi-purpose use makeup brush pouch. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I have all the extra stuff apart from the makeup and the skincare that I have purchased for myself. These are the extra stuff that I'm keeping, and some of the extra stuff that I'm also gonna keep is like a needle, a thread, you know, just that somewhere कुछ stitch लगाने का ज़रूरत पड़ जाए, तो that is something I'm gonna keep. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I also have a lot of clutches, which I don't know where I've kept it. I'm not able to because I have packed a lot of bags already, so might be in that. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is everything that I have in my bridal trousseau. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you watched it till here, I can't wait to post the next video, so stay tuned and stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of yourself.